Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. My dear student, I hope you are doing well. So, in the previous lecture, we discussed structure of proteins, and today we are going to study next very important topic, which is amino acids in the building blocks of proteins. So, let's discuss in details amino acid step by step. What are amino acids? Amino acids are organic compounds that contains an amino group, NH2 group or carboxyl group, suitable OH, hydrogen atom, a variable side chain or group, all attached to a central carbon atom. General structure: NH2 band CH and to R band COOH. Why are amino acids called building blocks? Protein are long chains made up by linking many amino acids together, just like bricks form a wall. Amino acids join to form proteins. Each protein has a specific number, a specific sequence of amino acids. Formation of proteins from amino acids. Amino acids join through peptide bonds. Reaction mean peptide bond formation. Band COOH plus NH2 gap CO band NH plus H2O. Amino acid plus amino acid gap dipeptide plus H2O. Many amino acids gap polypeptide, which also give protein. Types of amino acids. First one, essential amino acids, which cannot be made by the body, must be obtained from food. Examples: lysine, methionine, valine. And second one, non-essential amino acids produced by the body. Examples: alanine, glycine, and glutamic acid. Properties of amino acids. Amino acids are colorless crystalline solids soluble in water, contain both acidic and basic groups, can act as amphoteric substances. Importance and proteins. Proteins determines means first one, determine protein structure. Importance and protein is first one, determine protein structure. Second one, form enzymes and hormones. Third one, health and growth and repair. Fourth one, essential for metabolism. Examples of amino acids. Amino acids: glycine is function as simplest amino acid. Alanine, energy metabolisms. Leucine, muscle growth. And tryptophans, hormones production. Important exam points for of amino acids. Amino acids contain NH2 and COOH, linked by peptide bonds, basic unit of proteins, essential and non-essential types. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lectures on amino acids, which is a building block of proteins. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comment your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.